Hi friends, my name is Tamira and this is my channel. Welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good day, good evening, good night from wherever you're watching and whatever time you're watching. So in today's video, it's not a meal prep video, it's just a little highlight of what I had for Sunday dinner. People normally ask or usually ask if I do catering, but I usually say no. But if you want to be my client, I will cater for you. If you hadn't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps my channel to grow. And comment. It helps with that pesky little algorithm. So subscribe, comment, share, do all the things. Help me to grow on this platform. Pre-cook the pork in. So you know this sauce has everything. Thank you for watching. Thank me for cooking. Stay true to yourself. Be kind to everybody. Peace out.